Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 2, that is microorganisms, and today I will deliver its 15th lecture. So my dear students, let's start the lecture with the recap. So quickly listen to the questions very carefully and then answer them. How can we prevent ourselves from germs? Very good. So now you know all the preventive measures, that how we can keep ourselves safe from different germs and we can prevent ourselves from diseases. Very good. So my dear students, today the students will be able to suggest preventive measures to protect ourselves from the infections. So क्योंकि हम ये already पढ़ रहे हैं कि कैसे हम अपने आप को different infections से बचा सकते हैं by washing our hands, by taking bath. So आज हम एक experiment perform करेंगे कि कैसे हाथ धोने से germs जो हैं वो दूर भाग जाते हैं. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. The Allah says in Quran that I swear what you see and what you do not see. And let's quickly perform the experiment now. So this is the germ hunt. आज हम जरासीम को पकड़ेंगे भी और भगाएंगे भी, ठीक है? So let's have a look. You will thoroughly enjoy the experiment. I request you all to please open page number 32 in your Science 5 books. Very good. So I hope everybody has opened the page. So my dear students, let's have a look कि आज हम करना क्या है. Let's look at the instructions, the material that is required, and then we will perform the experiment. Experiment number 5, germs hunt. Material that is required is soap. I am using liquid soap, water, bowl, glitters. Procedure: take a bowl and fill it half with water. Put some glitter powder into the bowl for water. It will make a layer over the surface of the water. Apply some soap on your fingertip and touch the glittered layer in the bowl. So what will happen now? Results and observations. The glittered layer will at once scatter and split. These are the germs on the surface of anything that gets interacted with soap or any germicide. So my dear students, हम जो experiment perform कर रहे हैं उसमें जब हम soap से अपने हाथों को धोते हैं या किसी surface को साफ करते हैं तो germs जो हैं immediately भाग जाते हैं. So what are the things that we need? We need water. We need an empty container. We need glitter, any color. I have 2 glitter bottles, so I'm showing you. You can use any glitter. And the glitter must be powdered form, and then a liquid soap or your regular soap bar. So what we will do is we will fill the container half with the water. Done. Now I will add glitter to it. So let's use the pink glitter. I'll use the blue glitter. That will be more visible, I guess. So now I will add glitter. So here you can see the glitter has formed a layer on the top of the water. I hope everybody can see it. It's visible. So what I will do now is I will take the liquid soap. I will apply it on my finger. I'll rub it a little. And then what I will do is I will touch the layer of the glitter. So you can see the glitter has instantly moved. See, the glitter has instantly moved. So again, I will apply some more soap on my hands. And you can see where I will touch it, the glitter, it will leave a space, a hollow space between. You can see that. So why this has happened, just like this, the germs when come, जब आप उसको interact करते हैं आपके soap के साथ, तो soap जो है वो उनको distract कर देता है और वो पानी के साथ जो है वो बह जाते हैं. So wash your hands with your soap more often. So this is our germ hunt. So my dear students, now we will see everyday science. So keep your body and surroundings clean, otherwise microorganisms will cover your surface and cause infections. So my dear students, हमें अपने इर्द गिर्द की जगहों को साफ रखना चाहिए. अगर हम इनको साफ नहीं रखेंगे तो क्या होगा, जरासीम जो है वो हर जगह से हमें कवर कर लेंगे और उसके बाद क्या होगा कि आपको जो है वो इन्फेक्शन जो है वो मोर ऑफन आपके जो है वो कॉज करेंगी. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. So my dear students, now we will move forward towards the worksheet. So you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So my dear students, why the pepper powder or the glitter ran away in the second picture? So here you can see the surface, and when you will touch it, it will leave a hollow space. So mine showed a very little hollow space. So ये क्यों होता है? क्योंकि पानी के ऊपर जब सोप टच होता है तो पानी अपना वाटर बैलेंस जो है वो बरकरार रखता है और वो एकदम से मूव करता है. एंड दिस इज हाउ इट टेक्स द जर्म्स विद इट. वो जर्म्स को भी या जो भी उसकी सरफेस के ऊपर चीज़ होती है पानी की सरफेस के ऊपर, वो उसको ले जाता है. तो जब आप अपने हाथ धोते हैं और आपके हाथों के ऊपर पानी लग जाता है तो वहाँ पे जर्म्स होते हैं जो आपके पानी के साथ और हाथों के साथ लगे हुए होते हैं. सो व्हेन यू अप्लाई सोप तो जल्दी से पानी जो है उसके साथ जर्म्स जो है वो अटैच हो जाते हैं एंड दे स्कैटर. सो वॉश योर हैंड्स मोर ऑफन ताकि जो है वो जर्म्स जो है वो आपके करीब ना आए और आपको इन्फेक्शंस ना हो. So my dear students, for evaluation, why this glittered layer splits when you touch your finger? Because when we touch it with the soap, the water maintains its balance and takes the glitter or the germs or anything that is on its surface away. So does the glitter split if you do not have soap on the finger? No, it will not split. मैंने बल्कि ये करके भी देखा था कि अगर मेरे हाथ पे सोप ना हो तो कुछ भी नहीं होता, it remains there. वो एक लेयर की फॉर्म में जो है वो वहां रहता है, बट इफ आई टच इट विद द सोप तो वो फौरन से जो है वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है. सो फॉर योर होमवर्क, परफॉर्म द एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड नोट डाउन रिजल्ट्स एंड ऑब्जर्वेशंस. आपको ये एक्सपेरिमेंट घर पे परफॉर्म करना है और फिर आपको अपनी ऑब्जर्वेशंस भी नोट डाउन करनी है. Next is home activity. So for this home activity, write about the ways you keep yourself clean. How many times a day do you feel the need for hand washing? What other good habits do you adopt to keep yourself clean? Some days before I got sick because, और आपको यहाँ अपने बीमार होने का वाकया भी लिखना है. So my dear students, आपको डिस्कस करना है या लिखना है कि आप कितनी दफ़ा दिन में हाथ धोते हैं और आप अपने आप को साफ़ सुथरा रखने के लिए और कौन कौन सी चीज़ें जो हैं या गुड हैबिट्स जो हैं वो आपने अपनाई हुई हैं या आपने अडॉप्ट की हुई हैं. सो दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. यू विल कंप्लीट इट इन योर नोटबुक. So my dear students, what have we learned today? Today we learned that when germs get interacted with the soap or any germicide, they try to run away with the water. Keep your surroundings clean, otherwise microorganisms will cover your surface and cause infections. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will have a review of your unit, and we will revise all the concepts and I will provide you with an assessment sheet. Until then, keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.